Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will explore some of the best short haircuts for 2025 that are not only modern and stylish but also help you look and feel 10 years younger. Short hair is all about confidence, comfort and effortless beauty, and these cuts will bring out the best version of you. Let's get started. The pixie cut is timeless, elegant and full of personality. It's perfect for women who want a low maintenance yet stylish look. This cut adds natural volume and highlights your beautiful facial features. You can keep it soft with longer layers or go for a bold crop pixie for a modern twist. It's easy to style, just add a little mousses or wax and we are ready to shine. A layered bob is one of the most flattering short hairstyles for women over 50. The layers give your hair movement, shape and a fuller look, especially great if you have fine or thin hair. It frames your face beautifully and instantly adds a youthful glow. You can wear it straight, wavy or with soft curls. It always looks fresh and classy. If you love easy modern styles, the textured crop is a wonderful choice. This short haircut adds volume on top and keeps the sides neat and clean. It gives you a playful yet polished look that suits all face shapes. Just a few minutes with a styling cream and you will have that effect salon fresh and stylish look every day. The shag haircut is making a big comeback in 2025 and it's perfect for 2025 women over 50. It's fun, stylish and full of movement. The uneven layers and soft bangs create a youthful, relaxed look that's easy to maintain. This cut works wonderfully with natural texture, whether your hair is straight, wavy or curly. Tapered cut is so beautiful, chic, clean and modern. It's short around the sides and back with a little more volume on top. This shape lifts your face and gives you a neat, confident look. It's the perfect style for women who like something elegant, professional and super easy to care for. So go ahead, embrace your beauty and step into 2025 looking fabulous, confident and forever young. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.